Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 526 in effect in daylight time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 14 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in north central Colorado, Larimer, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Broomfield, Denver, Douglas, Jefferson, Logan, Morgan, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Arvada, Aurora, Boulder, Broomfield, Castle Rock, Centennial, Denver, Denver International Airport, Elizabeth, Fort Collins, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Kiowa, Lakewood, Lyman, Longmont, Loveland, Parker, Sterling, Thornton, Westminster, and Windsor. Primary threats include widespread large hail and isolated very large hail events to 3 inches in diameter, likely scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 75 miles an hour, likely a tornado or two possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.